People don't get this, don't understand it. There's a lot of life events we go through, from, graduating college to getting married, to having our first baby, to buying our first home, to starting our first business, to sending our kids off to college, to doing all, going through a divorce, now suddenly single because I'm widowed. We have life events. We handle those life events differently than a male does. And so we need to have specific materials that talk to her. A woman going through a divorce who has been home for the last 20 years is going to have a very different experience trying to deal with her financial future than a man who's been in the workforce all his life, okay? But yet we don't have specific guidelines and tools and resources and checklists. I worked with one financial firm. I won't share who it is, but it's a biggie, and I did 8 brochures for them. Each one had a checklist for a female to understand the process and the things she needs to collect to make sure she's prepared for that life event and making sure it's a financially successful, transition.